All right, this is your weeks 5 through 6 of the Ameren Feel Strong program. Our first exercise is going to be a single leg RDL row. So what you're going to do is have the dumbbell on your opposite hand of the foot that's staying still. You'll swing back, pause, hold that with the stable foot, and you'll do your rows for however many reps our sheet says. On your right side or your left side first. Once you do their reps on that side, you'll switch sides. Do the same thing. Again, it's all about creating stability throughout your foot and your hips, so the weight is irrelevant. You don't want to use a heavy weight. Use kind of a lighter to moderate weight. Once you feel comfortable, then you can try to challenge yourself a little bit. Next exercise we're going to do is push-ups with a shoulder tap to up downs. So what's that going to look like? Is you get in your push-up position, do a push-up, tap, tap, down to the plank position, squeeze your butt, one arm comes up, the other one comes up, and then you repeat. Again, do as many as the reps that's on the sheet. Just make sure you're staying in a straight line from head to toe into your push-ups, and try to limit the amount of shift in your hips when you tap your shoulders, and also when you go to the up-down position. Okay? Next thing we're going to do is a single leg RDL to a curl. So same thing like our first exercise. We'll get in our single leg position, grab that knee up, curl. Repeat, single leg RDL, curl up. And again, do as many as the sheet says. Once you got your reps, switch side, drive that knee up, curl. And again, as you can see, your stability is the challenging point, so use a lighter weight with that. Your next exercise will be a little bit of a leg lift circuit. So you're going to lie on your left or your right side to start. Try to elongate, almost like you're pushing your heel to the wall closest to you, so then you have a little bit of gap in between your side obliques here. What you'll do is start with leg lifts. Remember to always keep your toe pointed towards you a little bit so your leg's in a straight line. And again, as many reps as the sheet says. After your last rep, then you kind of go on that counter, or that clockwise circle, for again, as many reps. After your last one, then you'll go right into knee tucks, bringing that knee towards your belly and your chest for as many reps. And then last, you'll go in that counterclockwise circle again, trying to keep your legs straight, keep that toe straight for as many reps. Then that completes that side. You'll roll over. Same thing on the other side. Do your leg lifts first. Counterclockwise, or clockwise, knee tucks. Followed by the counterclockwise circle. Okay? And we got one last exercise. You can use weight or no weight, depending on how comfortable you are. But we're going to do kind of a two-position lunge. You're going to lunge back and forward within one fluid motion. So I'll step back first. Then this stepping back leg is going to drive through into my forward lunge. And then I just repeat. Step back and forward. And you can hold the dumbbell at your side. You can hold it in the goblet position. It's kind of up to you here. But again, you'll do your required amount. But whichever side you start with first. And when you're ready, switch sides. And do the required reps on the other side. And this workout is supposed to be meant for anywhere from 2 to 4 rounds, depending on how much time you have available on a given day. Okay? And that's your week 5 through 6. Have a good one.